Hello YouTube. Today we'll install Google Meet Cloud Video Conference app on Android TV MI box. Search Google Meet APK Pure in Google. Download the variant, do not click download directly. Download the V7A version and save it to an USB drive. Eject the USB flash drive and insert it into Android TV or MI box. Open Google Play Store and search MiBox APK installer for Android TV. Also install the Sideload launcher, which will be useful. Open MI Box APK installer. Plug the USB drive into the Android TV and navigate to it. Click to install the Meet APK. In the first time, you have to allow unknown source permission. Open Sideload launcher and you can find the installed Google Meet here. Launch it and start to use it. You may attach a mouse to make it more comfortable.